You've probably heard the term sales funnel, and if you're like most beginners, it sounds complicated, but it's not. Let me break it down like this. A sales funnel is just a system, a path, that takes someone from "who are you" to "this is exactly what I need." That's it. It's not magic. It's not manipulative. It's smart. Let's say you're selling cookies. You hand out free samples. That's awareness. Someone says, "Wow, these are good." That's interest. They ask the price. That's desire. They buy a full box. That's action. Boom. That's a funnel. And it works the same online, except your free sample is a lead magnet. Maybe it's a guide, a checklist, a free trial, something valuable, upfront, no strings. Then comes the email. That's your follow-up, the trust builder. No hard pitch, just value, relevance, like, "Here's how to get even better results," or "Here's a quick tip to solve the problem faster." And finally, the offer, a landing page, one message, one goal, one clear call to action. See the pattern? A funnel removes friction. It's not a website with 17 links. It's a journey with one direction. When people land on your funnel, you're not hoping they figure it out. You're guiding them, step by step. They feel seen. They feel helped. And when the offer makes sense, they buy. Because the best funnels don't sell. They serve. They solve real problems for real people. So don't overthink it. Don't wait until everything's perfect. Start with one page, one offer, one simple journey that makes sense. That's a sales funnel. A smart system to lead people forward, intentionally. Subscribe for more bold marketing breakdowns.